Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Cricut EasyPress Mini Raspberry. Let's see what's inside. Inside the box there is Cricut EasyPress Mini Raspberry color machine, the safety base, a welcome book and heat setting instructions. Let me show you a short demo on how you can use this Cricut EasyPress Mini. For this project, I'm going to use Everyday Iron-On Glitter by Cricut and an eye mask, which is satin material. Once you've cut the cut, I set my iron on the first heat setting, which is the lowest setting, and it is perfect to transfer glitter neon Everyday Iron-On onto a satin mask. To avoid damaging the material, always use butter paper before ironing on it. Once it has cooled down, you can carefully peel off the plastic over the iron-on material. And it's ready! Ta-da! If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.